And today we are going to talk about how you can make money online flipping websites. Okay, how you can actually make money flipping website. And I am taking you to this website called Flippa.com. Flippa.com. And the amazing thing here is that this website gives you revenue generating website, e-commerce store, and other online businesses. Okay, these are websites that are already making money at the end of every month, or let's say daily. Yes, these websites are making money, and the people are already selling this website. So it means that you can buy the website and take the profit. Okay, you can buy this website and enjoy the profit. Well, you can enjoy it for some time and decide to sell it back to someone else on this platform. That is one. You can also work on the same website. Let's say that I bought this website, which is easyfans.net. Okay, the monetization is other, and this website is making a net profit of 1,725 dollars per month. And this is an auction right now that I'm talking, and already there are 9 bids. Okay, 9 bids and 24 days left. So this is an auction. The person has placed it on auction, which means that everyone will place how much they are willing to pay for it. Okay, so the person is saying $1,151. That is what, how the auction starts. Now you will say, okay, I will give like 1,152. Somebody will also give another price, and it goes up until this days are gone. And the person who get the higher amount on the bid, I think, wins this. Now let's get here. This one is also having an asking price of 63,000, and this website, which is ceoprolab.com, is offering SEO services and making a net profit of $5,346 per month. So what I'm saying here is that you can make good money from this. You can make good money from this business. And how does it make that money? How does it make that money? How does it make the money? Okay, so let's get to that. For example, let's say that I've purchased this website, which is unlockunity.com, and the monetization is AdSense. The net profit that this website generates is 1,536 dollars per month, and the asking price, let's say the asking price is 50,000. So I buy this website, and I know I'm making 1,536. The idea here is that I have to make more than the 50,000 that I bought this website. So what I will do is that after buying this website, one, I'm going to increase the content on the website. Okay, because we all know that to make money with AdSense, you need to have, one, huge traffic, two, enough content on that website. When you have a lot of content and having huge traffic coming in, you can make good money from AdSense, because people are making roughly 300,000 US dollars from AdSense. Yes, some are making 450, 600 and something thousand dollars from AdSense. So you can increase, because if this is making 1,536, it means that it is actually a good niche. People are already coming to the website. The traffic at this point is good. So what you need to do is add more content and increase your traffic. Okay. And how can you do that? I have this website that can do the thing for you. Look, let's go to Fiverr. And I like this marketplace a lot. Yes, I like this marketplace. And for as little highest quality organic keyword targeted traffic, and that is $30. I'll promote your podcast. No, I'm not promoting podcast, but let's get here. Here, this guy is charging $5 for 50,000 real traffic within 30 days. $5. So imagine if you're having an AdSense business, this can be a good start for you. Instead of you trying to get traffic, you can purchase traffic. Okay, some are even willing to give you traffic from the country that you want. And we know we have certain companies. Let's say we have certain countries that the money you get from the AdSense are huge, like the USA, United Kingdom, Australia, and all those places. Now, let's check here too. I will send traffic to keep USA, Alexa run 20K and global, something like this. Well, this means that, but one thing I like about this level 2 seller too is that he's starting at $10 and the star is 5.0. Okay, look, 4.9. So it means that you can get them at quite good price here, good prices, good prices, and have that traffic that you want. Because if they are having 5.0, it means that people have been purchasing from them and they are okay, they are happy with it. You understand? So that is it. You can purchase any of the website here, anyone that you like, and increase the traffic on that website to make more money. Let's get to, let's try to search, okay, well, the kind of website that you want, the kind of website. Like whenever you come here, look, here is $114 per month and $115. Okay, that is the base start. Okay, and let me check here how much people are willing to give out. Okay, so from the look of things, the bidder one is 100%, the highest bid, and the person is saying $115. Okay, the bidder two new 55 $55, and this one is saying they are willing to offer how much, $50. So well, that is the bidding history. But I think always this is the bidder, the person who created a website, okay, offering this one, because I think this is the price. Okay, this is the price that the person was looking for. So that is the price here. Then the people here will come and say, hey, I can't offer that money, I will pay this. Another person will say, I will pay this until the thing completes that 30 days, because the person wrote here 30 days, and I think that is it. So it started 2 months ago and it's completed 25 days ago. It means that the person decided to offer it to this guy. Okay, they can decide to offer it to this guy because that is the highest bid here. Okay, yeah. Or the person can decide not to sell anymore. You understand? You can decide not to sell. So whenever you buy something like this, you can decide to use services from this website. Okay, to use services from this website to promote your business. Now let's look at something here. I will send 150,000 USA UK targeted real organic website web traffic, and that is at 25, starting at $25, and that is good. Though when you are writing your articles, it should target at least certain countries, or you should target, it should be like general one. Okay, the topic should be general one where traffic from any country can work. Okay, traffic from any country can work. So if your traffic should be for a specific country, then I think you should come here and find traffic for that particular country. For example, if you are in UK, you can use these services 4.8 star, and I will send targeted UK traffic 1 million visits and starting at $5. So that is amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing.